Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the IndieZoNe podcast. My name is Kathy. We are anticipating 3, possibly 4 new court filings in the closed case of Idaho versus Kohberger, dealing with 2 separate issues. The first is a request for restitution that was filed by the state of Idaho, and the second, parties' responses to the court's order requesting their positions on the potential unsealing of documents from January, February, and March of 2025. Let's look at the issue regarding restitution first. The state of Idaho, back in September, filed a request for restitution from Mr. Kohberger. Mr. Kohberger filed a response in opposition to that motion, and both of those documents are available for you to read on the court docket. One was filed September 22nd, the other was filed October 7th. Fast forward to October 17th, and came the state of Idaho's request for a restitution hearing, which was granted. That hearing is currently scheduled to occur on November 5th, 2025. However, in that request for a hearing, there was also a notation toward the end of that document that indicated the state was awaiting additional information and that the state would be filing a response to the defendant's position on or before October 24th, 2025. That was last Friday. Today is Monday the 27th. And a view of the court docket this morning and a view of the case summary page, no indication of when that document was filed. We are hopeful that matters will be updated today on the court docket, releasing whatever the state of Idaho filed on or before October 24th, or at least a notation on the case summary page that it was filed. Because the defense would not have had an opportunity to review whatever the state was intending on filing based on some new information on or before the 24th of October, given that the defense's response came on October 7th, I am fully expecting and predicting, based on just my commentary, speculation, that the defense will be filing a reply to that response. It may come sometime this week. If they do, perhaps it will be before the hearing next week on November 5th. The other matter that absolutely requires filings this week has to do with the court's third order seeking parties' position regarding sealed documents. And you can read the listing of the documents that are encompassed within this order. They are from January, February, and March 2025, all filed under seal. And what the court did in this order is, as he has done before with the 2 prior orders seeking parties' position regarding sealed documents, they were for the months of June and July for the first order, and then for the months of April and May for the second order. The court here again in the third order is seeking the parties' position as to whether or not the documents contained in this order should remain sealed from public disclosure or should be unsealed. And the court has said that the parties' position on this matter is due within 14 days of the filing date of this order. Since this order was filed on October 16th, 2025, 14 days would then be on or before this Thursday, October 30th, 2025. If and when those documents are released to the public, assuming that they will not be filed under seal, we will advise you. So, in summary, for a case that has been closed for several months now, there is suddenly a lot of activity in this case, and we're going to continue to keep you posted every step of the way. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.